Hey everyone, I am Erica and welcome back to Rick's Review Hub. I am so excited you are here today because we are talking about a mower that is about to make your yard look great without any work from you, the Husqvarna 410iQ Automower Robotic Mower. If you are tired of pushing mowers that are heavy or cutting uneven grass, this one is your easy way to a perfect lawn that covers up to 0.4 acres with smart tech. Picture coming home to a neatly cut yard, the robot moving quietly around obstacles, and even working in light rain. Perfect for small homes, pet owners, or anyone who wants green space without the effort. No more weekend chores or gas smell. This robotic mower makes yard care simple, smart, and stress-free. Stick around because by the end of this, you will see why the Husqvarna 410iQ Automower Robotic Mower is a must for homeowners and yard lovers. And hey, if you grab it through the link in the description, you support the channel at no extra cost to you, plus you get the best deal on Amazon. All right, let us dive into the features of this mowing buddy. The Husqvarna 410iQ Automower Robotic Mower has a rechargeable battery that lasts up to 60 minutes per charge, covering up to 0.4 acres with a 7-inch cutting width for nice even passes. It uses EPOS GPS for wire-free boundaries set by app, so you draw the area on your phone without burying cable. The app lets you schedule cuts, set height from 1 to 2.4 inches, and see the mower live, with alerts for low battery or theft. The body is weatherproof with IPX4 rating, measuring 22 inches long, 18 inches wide, 10 inches tall, and weighing 22 pounds for stable roll on slopes up to 40%. It has sensors to avoid toys or pets, lift sensor to stop blades if picked up, and pin lock for safety, plus LED lights for low light. It returns to the charging station on its own, and it includes the station, RS1 reference station, blades, and a 2-year warranty. Price is around $1,000, a good value for the smart app and no wire setup it offers in your yard. Okay, now for the real scoop, pros and cons after using it on different yards from flat to sloped. Pros first. Number 1, the app and GPS make setup and control easy, no wires to deal with. Number 2, it handles slopes and avoids things well, cutting even without bald spots. Number 3, quiet, under 58 decibels, so it does not bother neighbors. Number 4, battery and auto return keep it going daily without help. Number 5, schedules and height adjust fit your yard. Number 6, weatherproof for light rain. Number 7, pin and sensors for safety. Number 8, LED for dusk. Number 9, 2-year warranty. Number 10, local store for app. Now cons because balance is key. 1, the $1,000 price is mid-range, not the cheapest. 2, app setup can take a bit to learn. 3, it may skip thick grass sometimes. 4, 22 pounds makes it hard to move by hand. 5, needs a good GPS signal. 6, no color night vision. 7, 1 year on battery. 8, cord for charger short. 9, best on even ground. 10, no app for old phones. But here's the truth, the pros make it a winner for most. If you have a small to medium yard and want hands-free mowing without wires, this fits perfectly. Not for very large areas or tight budgets, but for smart yard care, it is a yes. So my recommendation, get the Husqvarna 410iQ Automower Robotic Mower today. It keeps your yard perfect. Click that referral link in the description to get it on Amazon with the best pricing and special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Your lawn will thank you. Before we wrap, hit subscribe for more yard tips and click the link to support us. What is your dream yard feature? Drop it in the comments. Thanks for watching, you rock. If this helped, like, share, or subscribe for more. See you next time.